Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my October 2021 BOXYCHARM Premium Unboxing. I came home to such a great surprise because both of my BOXYCHARM boxes were waiting for me. I just posted my base box unboxing, so make sure you check out that video if you want to see what I got in that. But I'm always so excited to get my monthly BOXYCHARM boxes. This one was $35 a month. It was $35 this month, but looks like next month it's going up to $39.99 for the BOXYCHARM Premium. I do think that I get great value and it's still worth it to me to get the box for $39.99, but that's a big jump, especially monthly, $5 a month. $60 a year. But I love my beauty subscription boxes. I unbox all of them here on my channel, both Ipsy subscriptions, both BOXYCHARM subscriptions, and Glossy Box. So if you like that type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on those unboxings. I also have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's what I'm going to be doing with all of the makeup that I get this month in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. I'm saving my swatches and all of that for those dedicated review videos. And of course, if there's any products that I pull out that you're extra interested in me reviewing first, just let me know in the comments down below so that I can focus on those ones right away. So far, I've gotten so much makeup already this month, which I'm so happy to see because I definitely prefer to get makeup in my beauty subscriptions. So let's go ahead and see what I got in this box. Here is my product information. And so we've got a product sitting here on top. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is from the brand Rowan. I got a Rowan product in my Ipsy Plus. And this here is the Vow Brow in the shade Medium. A brow pencil. I love brow pencils. I'm pretty obsessed with filling in my brows, and I am so picky and particular about my brow products. So I'm really excited to try this one out. Ooh, good. It looks like a really skinny brow pencil with a spoolie on one end. We're off to a good start. I like those qualities of an eyebrow pencil. And so the Rowan Beauty Vow Brow Pencil retails for $26. All right, let's see. Ooh. Well, what is immediately catching my eye is this huge 111 Skin product. And 111 Skin is a very expensive skincare brand. And this here is the Antioxidant Energizing Essence. You know, I barely know what an essence is or how to use an essence. It says use day and night after cleansing. Gently apply to the face and neck using a cotton pad. So it basically sounds like where I apply a toner, which I do after my cleansing and before my serums. So, wow, I'm so excited to see the retail value of this. Let's check out the packaging. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's a frosted glass, and this is a big product. Oh my goodness. I am going to be incorporating this right away. I'm currently using a new, actually, essence and toner in one from Wander Beauty, but I have a little sample size that I'm going through, and I'll probably go through it quickly, and I'm going to put this one in my skincare routine next. So the 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence retails for $100. Wow. See, that's what I love to see in these beauty subscription boxes, is getting to try out expensive high-end products that I would never purchase on my own, but I get to try them out for such a great deal. And I definitely prefer to get makeup in these subscription boxes, but if I am going to get skincare, I want it to be an amazing skincare product, and this one seems like it's going to be that. Next up, ooh, another big bottle here. This is from the brand Vor, I think, and I'm not familiar with this brand. Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam Mousse. Interesting. I think this is, yeah, for hair. So my hair right now is curled, but I wear it natural a lot on my channel. I have naturally curly hair, and I have not used a mousse in my hair in so long, and I don't even know why, because I used to use mousse in my hair all the time growing up, like in high school and stuff, and it was so great. It really helped me tame my frizzy curls. So I'm really excited to start using a hair mousse again. Like I was just saying, I prefer to get makeup, but if I'm gonna get a hair product, yes, I want it to be a product that I do not currently have in my collection, and that's actually gonna be really perfect for my hair texture. And so let's see. The Voyeur is what it's called, Hair Care Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam, retails for $22. Ooh, and it says it's crunch-free, hydrating goodness that hushes flyaways and puts your curls on repeat. That is so intriguing to me because when I think about mousse, I think of that crunchy texture. So, oh my goodness, I am gonna be trying this out right away. All right, next up, what is this? Oh my gosh, okay. Dew of the Gods, Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads, 10 sets. Wow. I am not familiar with these, but I actually love to use under eye pads. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I have been trying to make Sundays like my masking day, and I love to use like an under eye pad like this, a mask, and then maybe like a clay mask or whatever my skin needs that day. So I should put these to the test tomorrow. Filler, who is she? This is Filla, and she's filled with the good stuff. So these are the Dew of the Gods Filla Collagen Under Eye Pads. Retails for $20. That is not too bad for 10 of these. Wow. Excited to try that out. Next up, oh my gosh, another Tarte product. I was saying in my base box unboxing that I love Tarte, and I've actually been getting a lot of Tarte in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM lately, which I'm so excited about. And this here is the Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. Oh my gosh, this is like a product that I would have purchased on my own because I love plumping glosses. I'm so excited about this. And I got it in the shade Buff. So it looks like it has some color to it and a beautiful color, like a great neutral shade. And plumping, oh my goodness, this is seriously like a perfect makeup product for me to get in my box. The Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Gloss retails for $19. And then my final product here is from the brand Benefit, another makeup brand that I love. And this is the new shade Georgia. It has a peach, like a Georgia peach. And it's the Golden Peach Blush. Oh my gosh. This is another really exciting makeup product for me to get. I love the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Literally what I wear every day. I'm wearing it right now. And I have maybe tried out a Benefit blush or highlighter, but I can barely remember. So I am so excited about this. And I have heard so many great things about the Benefit blushes and highlighters. And this looks beautiful. I'm resisting swatching it because, like I said, I'll be doing dedicated review videos on this with first impression, tutorial, all of that. And the packaging is so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited about this. I think this is actually a great box. The Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush retails for $30. I feel like I got such a great range of products, and the brands in this box have me so excited. So some of the great brands that I got: Tarte, the Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. I'm going to do a quick recap before I let you know the total retail value. The Benefit Georgia Peach Golden Peach Blush. The 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence. The Rowan Vow Brow Eyebrow Pencil. And some new brands for me to try out: the Dew of the Gods Filla Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads, and the Voyeur Styling Mousse, Soft Styling Foam Mousse. Spit it out, Christy. And that brings me to a total retail value of $217. That is just incredible value. Even though it's going up to $40 a month, I hope I can at least get that $200 of value, and I think it'll be worth it. They're products that I actually want, and that's what makes it worth it. So if I'm getting like not exciting products that I'm paying $40 for, then that's not great. But at least these are products that every single one of them I can see myself getting use out of. So I definitely want to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on any of these products if you've tried them out. And I also love to hear what you got in your October 2021 BOXYCHARM Premium Box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.